Hi, I'm Dr. Meredith Warner of Warner Orthopedics Wellness in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm also faculty for LSU Orthopedics. And I want you to know that I am an expert in ankle arthritis. I've done the most total ankle replacements in the state of Louisiana, and we do a variety of treatments for ankle arthritis, stemming from PRP up to replacing it with a total ankle replacement. How might you know that you have ankle arthritis? Well, obviously your ankle might hurt. Generally, it's a little bit stiffer and creakier in the mornings or after being still for a while. A lot of times cold weather might make those symptoms a little bit more pronounced. Sometimes your ankle will swell. And just so you know, about 80% of cases of ankle arthritis come from some ankle sprain that happened when you were a kid. Usually you've forgotten about it, but a lot of people have repeated sprains after that, and that tends to lead to ankle arthritis. So if you know you have a history of weak ankles and your ankle hurts now, you may have ankle arthritis. If you feel like you might have ankle arthritis, please come see us here at Warner Orthopedics. I have a great team that works very closely with me, and we will help get to the bottom of whatever it is that's going on with your ankle, and then help you to devise a solution that works for you to make it better.